This 2025 K-Z Sportsmen Select 260BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 28 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, smoke detector, skylight, awning, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, water heater, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 K-Z Sportsmen Select 260BH is 4,100 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.